Hello everyone, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always showing up. And if you're watching me for the first time, you're most welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today I am preparing a simple fried fish recipe. I have already washed and cut my tilapia fillets into small pieces. I start by marinating the fish with vegetable stock powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, smoked paprika powder, extra virgin olive oil, and black pepper. Be careful when marinating the fish so that it is not over-seasoned. I mix this well and ensure that everything is well incorporated. Please find the exact measurements in the description box below. I cut my fish fillets into this size. However, you can cut yours into any size that you prefer. At this point, the fish is ready to start frying, since tilapia is a mild fish that does not need a lot of spices to marinate. It also does not need time to marinate because the fillets are thin. Once this is done, coat the fish pieces with plain flour. When coating the fish, shake off any excess flour and set the pieces aside in a separate bowl. Once this is done, heat some oil in a pan and fry the fish pieces. Cook them on medium heat and ensure that both sides are cooked well. This should not take long because fish does not take long to cook. Do not overcrowd the pan. The aroma of the fish is so good at this point. Now that the fish is nice and golden, it is ready. So I remove them and place them on a plate lined with paper towel to drain any excess oil. I then continue the same process with the remaining pieces of fish until all pieces are done. Allow the fish to cool and serve. It can be served with salad, chips, or wedges. It can also be served as a side dish to accompany your meal. Please let me know in the comments section how you prefer to eat your fish fillets. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family because this helps my channel reach a wider audience. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.